Tapos, tulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, hanap kayo ng survey questionnaire, ha? Hanap talaga kayo. Kaya hindi kayo ma-approve pag wala ang survey questionnaire niyan. You have to bring with you the survey questionnaire niya na ID. Kung ano to available na survey questionnaire na may ID dito, mas maganda, tip ko sa inyo, yan ang gamitin nyo para hindi na kayo mahirapan maghanap. Do you follow? Sige, tingnan natin ito. Cordero, Verola, adoption of shipping, promotion, hedonic motivation, positive effect, free shipping promotion. Si free shipping promotion is napanin siya, pwede ka pa mag-identify pag mga variables here. No? Okay. Pwedeng impulsive buying, pwedeng customer satisfaction, pwedeng buying decision ang DV nyo. Matabang and others. Now, Miranda, matabang, consumer purchase by live streaming, preference, purchase, attention in live streaming among college students, stimulus. Okay, tingnan nyo si TPB class. Mas sayon si TPB kay attitude, ana lang, subjective norms, na ana lang. You can TPB here, o i-research nyo si TPB. Na, tanawan nyo diya, pag magsulti gani sa readings nyo, attitude, subjective norms, perceived behavioral control, o ayan. Mas easy na siya, mas daghag survey questionnaire. And then, ang inyuhang IB kulang kaayo, no? Sige. Next is Muhammad Dosano Wata Lumangkibig. Advertising credibility, the influence of promotional advertising on source credibility theory, okay. Disclosure, tingnan natin. Advertising, consumer purchase